Introduction to Service and Dependency Injection. Hi, my name is Ryan and I will be live streaming now. What is Introduction to Service and Dependency Injection? Service is a broad category encompassing encompassing any values, functions, or features that an application needs. A service is typically a class with a narrow, well-defined purpose. It should do something specific and do it well. Angular distinguishes component from services to increase modularity. Introduction to Service and Dependency Injection. Service is broad category encompassing encompassing any values, functions, or features that an application needs. A service is typically a class with a narrow, well-defined purpose. It should do something specific and do it well. Angular distinguishes component from service to increase modularity and reusability. Ideally, a component's job is to enable only the user experience. A component should present properties and methods for data binding and mediate between the views and the application logic. The view is a template renders an application logic and it should include notation of a model. A component should use service for tasks that don't involve the user application logic. Angular doesn't enforce these principles. Instead, Angular helps you follow these principles by making it easy to factor your application logic into service. In Angular, dependency injection makes those services available to your components. Service example. For an example service class that logs the browser console, you have log error message warning, log error message warning. Service can depend on any other service. Here, hero service that depends on log or service and also uses backend service to get heroes. Dependency injection is the part of Angular framework that provides components that access to service and other resources. Angular provides the ability for you to inject a service into a component to give that component access to the service. This is providing services. Providing services, you must register at least one provider of any service you are going to use. The provider can be part of the service own metadata, making the service available everywhere. By default, Angular select commands and register provides with the root injector. Injectables provide in root export class hero software. When you register a provider at a component level, you get an instance of the service